Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself to your family. And I hope you're in a good condition while watching my video. I am Nelia Bedona, 43 years old, graduated Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Entrepreneurship, Bacolod City College, Bacolod City. I am married with one son and he's 5 years old now. I am the fourth among the 5 siblings in the family. I have experience working as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 7 years in the Chinese family, and we have 4 members in the family. We have 2 adults and 2 children, ages 13 and 15 years old when I start working to them. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, ironing, and marketing.
How many helpers in your employer's house?
I have only 1 helper in my employer's house.
Do you have experience taking care of the newborn baby?
In my own baby, by changing diaper, changing clothes, and preparing the bottle milk.
How about children? Do you have any experience?
Yes, I have experience, and I be patient and treat them as my own child.
Are you capable enough in tutoring children?
Like, yes, ma'am, like basic, like counting numbers, drawing, storytelling, and can teach them to sing a nursery rhyme.
Can you give me a sample of nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. The baby in the bus, say wee, 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 wee. Wee, 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 the baby in the bus, say wee, 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 all day the time. The mommy in the bus, say shh, 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 shh. The mommy in the bus, say shh, 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 all day the time. The daddy in the bus, say I love you, I love you, I love you. The daddy in the bus, say I love you all day the time.
Are you willing to care of an invalid or elderly person?
No, ma'am, I prefer to take care a child or a newly born baby.
What if you feel homesick? What are you going to do?
I will keep myself busy for my work or divert myself, and if it's my free time, I will play and teach the children.
What if your employer is strict and demanding? What are you going to do?
I will ask the rules and regulation, and I will follow and give their satisfaction.
If you have a misunderstanding with your employer, what are you going to do?
I will be polite and say sorry, and I will promise that I will not do it again the same mistake.
Do you mind your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday and Sunday?
I don't mind, ma'am. It depends on my employer's schedule.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for the future of my son and to support my mother for financial.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hello there, sir, ma'am. I know it is for you to select a new domestic helper. I am here applying, and I promise if you hire me, I will do my very best, and I will follow your rules and regulation, and I will treat your family as my family too. And I will promise to finish my contract, and I'm willing to renew as long as you like me. Thank you so much, and hope to see you soon.